Hello, this is Dr. Hui Liu from San Jose, California, United States. My email is ibridgepy@gmail.com. ibridgepy is an easy-to-use Python platform to help traders to build algorithm trading robots. It can backtest and live trade with interactive brokers, Robinhood, and TD Ameritrade. You can download iBridgePy from www.ibridgepy.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because more tutorials are coming. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to get account information using iBridgePy. iBridgePy has rolled out a new function called Show Account Info, makes getting account information much simpler and easier than before. You can request the following field names, for example, NetLiquidation, TotalCashValue, GrossPositionValue, BuyingPower, and others. All about these four values are supported for both of TD Ameritrade and Interactive Brokers. For Interactive Brokers, they provide more information than the above four fields. The full list of the fields for IB, you can go to this link. Let's go back to iBridgePy documentation and go to Show Account Info. The format of Show Account Info is very simple. The name is Show Account Info and you put a field, which is a string. You can put names, this name, and others. As I mentioned, for TD Ameritrade and Interactive Brokers, these four fields are supported. If you want to go to the full list, you can click IB documentation. And here is the full list of what you can get from Interactive Brokers. And the return of this function is either a float when the transformation is possible. For example, these fields are just typically a float number. However, for Interactive Brokers, it's possible to return a string number. For example, if you request account code, which is a string, so that it's possible the possible return type is float or string. The next part is go to a spider. I want to give you a demo. We have a demo code called example show account info.py. Let's open this file, take a look together, see what's there. In this file, the code itself is very simple. So we put this one in handle data, and handle data will end because we just want to demo to show this field. We have for loop. The for loop goes to these four fields. And then we just print field name and the field value. We use show account info and give it a string name. Let's go to runme.py and run it. Okay. As you can see, the values for the fields are printed out and they are in the float format here. So when you are working on your strategy, when you need account information, the solution is much simpler. Just use show account info, give it the field name, then you can use that field in your code. Thank you very much. For any questions, please send an email to ibridgepy@gmail.com. If you need any help on coding, please check out our well-known Run a Coder service. More tutorials are coming. Please don't forget to subscribe. iBridgePy is an easy-to-use Python platform to backtest and live trading. Thank you very much.